Hi, Megan back again, along with the Purple Martins. They're getting ready for their big journey, and I'm getting ready for mine. The swim's coming up soon. So one of the things that is special about the Delaware Bay is how many Purple Martins come through and migrate this time of year. It just so happens that the day of my swim, August 3rd, and the day before, August 2nd, they're going to be celebrating the Purple Martins over at Morris River Township, and Citizens United is supporting a boat cruise and observation platform at the Morristown Bridge, so I hope you check them out. And this is their location here is on the 4 miles of walkways that we've got here in Bivalve. You can come see them yourself before they fly, and we really enjoy sharing this with everybody. 4,000 acres of wetlands that have been restored, and it's a great place to get out, walk, bike, just enjoy and soak in the bay. So hope to see you out here, and I'll talk to you soon.